Zachary from Ecology, Evolution, and Conservation Biology, presenting Unlocking the Secrets of the Siamese Fighting Fish, a study on mating behavior.
Good afternoon, everyone. Who here thinks they would struggle to find love on the dating show Love is Blind? Yeah, we're visual creatures, so we form a lot of our connections through sight. Well, let me introduce you to a species of fish that would also flunk out of Love is Blind, the Siamese fighting fish, or betta. Here at Columbia in the Medeski Lab, we study betta fish because they are great animals for aggressive behavioral research. They have a long history of domestication intertwined with their aggressive nature. Now, that aggressive nature allows us to study the genetics underneath the behavior. Many of you who've bought one from a fish store may remember not to house them with other fish. This is because they're violent towards other fish, especially their own species. Now, in the lab, that can cause us some issues, because you might not be surprised to know that in their mating behavior, it's very complex. In the lab, they mate infrequently, which bottlenecks our research projects and causes them to stall because we don't get new fish and eggs. So, for my thesis, I wanted to know what variables increase or decrease mating success. I collected data on 203 mating pairs and ran a statistical test designed for a binary outcome. Did they mate and lay eggs, yes or no? My most striking result was that the bettas prefer to see their partner before having babies with them. Those of us that raised our hands earlier can relate. Now, normally, we house the bettas visually isolated from each other, with an opaque plastic barrier between their individual tanks. Otherwise, they would exhaust themselves displaying to their neighbor. But for my study, I removed that barrier for at least 24 hours so the partners could see each other. When I did that, I got a 5 times increase in the chance of them mating. Thus, visual interaction is crucial for their mating behavior. This is already improving the mating rate in our colony. Not only does this help our genetics projects, it also indicates to us that the betta visual system may be more complex than we previously realized. Now we want to know, can betta fish distinguish between individuals? As we unpack these behaviors, we're not only learning more about a fascinating species of fish, we're also learning more about how all of life, including us, works. And each small step we take towards evolutionary and behavioral insights that make our world a healthier place. Future research may even be able to tell us why, so often, love is not blind. Thank you.